It's filling up with hot water pretty quick. Scalding hot right there. This right here must be the source. Woo! Yeah, that's boiling. This over here is just warm. You can see all the steam coming off the hillside. There's probably other hot springs popping out higher up there. Now there's a hose over there bringing hot water down the hill. We gotta figure out why it's not working. There we go. Woo, that's hot. All right, so we got cold water there, boiling hot water there, and warm water flowing in here.